Hey everyone, it's Phil the Dev, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to reduce data usage on Windows 10. You might have observed that when you buy a data subscription, all of a sudden it expires or it just finishes without you doing anything worthwhile, and it's pretty annoying. Yeah. So, what could be the cause? First of all, Windows automatically updates. I mean Windows 10 actually. Okay, so it automatically updates. Secondly, we have apps that run in the background, and in most scenarios, it updates automatically too, and that affects your data usage. So, this is a guide to help you reduce data usage or data consumption in Windows 10. First of all, I'll connect to the internet through my Wi-Fi. So once connected, click on the properties over here. You can select public or private for your network profile. Without connection enables us to actually limit how much data we spend. So we are going to turn it on, but we need to actually set a data limit for this to work effectively. So over here, click on this. So we set a data limit here by clicking the button enter limit. I prefer to go with the limit type of one time. So I'll go with this. Days until data expires, I usually go with 2. Data limit 4, then I go with gig. Okay, so you can choose other options. It's just based on what you feel comfortable with. So after this, I'll click on save. And when we head back to properties, we can see that our internet is on a metered connection. After turning on your metered connection, and the same issue still persists with your data consumption, let's see how we can turn off Windows updates manually. So head over to your Windows search bar, search for the Services app. Let's look for Windows updates. Okay, here it is. So click on it. So this is what manages the detection, download, and installation of updates for Windows. So it's a service. You can start and stop it whenever you like. So I already stopped mine. So you can as well stop yours, and that should solve the issue. I hope you found this video helpful. Kindly share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.